Yo, welcome to the stream, guys. Let's break it down. Let's start off with the usual. Um, I guess Bitcoin and all that. But we'll review all these trades. As you can see, I've closed a couple of things, taken profit on a couple. We start off today with this 2713. Yesterday was 2679. I took a stop as well, so it is what it is. 2713, 2713. So okay, we got overall a winning day. Could be better, but you know, it is what it is. We have to keep going, and yeah, so let's get started shortly. Current trades, where's that? Let me just post this. Currently post these ones as well. Current trades. Let's turn on the stream on Twitch, on my Discord. Share screen 2. Let's get going. All right, Bitcoin, nice and easy. First and foremost, we'll still have this trade open. Have no shame in that. This was a swing long based on reaching range highs. Range lows, targeting range highs. We are here. We are showing some kind of reaction at range low, but we are failing to reclaim Monday low, which is not a good sign. But we will see what happens on the 4-hour close. Okay. Nice and easy. Let me just post my current live on before I go on, because I don't want anyone to miss out. Okay. Yep. Let's get started. The usual day is nice and easy. We take a look at our daily and see where it is right now. Daily conversion is curling down. Still remains at 27,800 for us to be bullish. Base as well here. All of these two levels are resistance. This is the last Monday high and whatnot. 1 day trailer is curling down. We got a max pain here on the daily at 29,585. I have no shame in getting in taking a long here at range low. Now on a 4 hourly, let's take a look at our chart, see where we are right now. Got the 4 hour there. I don't need to change it much because I mean you guys are very well versed with Ichimoku by now. If you've been following, especially Whittleton, one of my trading buddies now, was my student. I'm very proud of him. We always trade together and whatnot. But we are trading underneath this cloud. There is no reason for me to be bullish unless we start closing 4 hourly above the cloud and daily above the cloud. So that's that. Okay, let me just take a screenshot of that and just post it on my Discord. BTC outlook at range low, however we are trading underneath range Monday low, waiting for further candle confirmation to assess situation on long. One day until we take cloud, until we reclaim 27,896. I will still short every pump. Nice and easy. Let's see, I've got a couple of signals here. Take a look at what's going on here. Okay, where's my notepad? What are we looking at next? We are looking at Bitcoin and our DEXI. One second. Bitcoin, DEXI. We are resistance for DEXI, so we are expecting to move to 102. We'll see. Let me just change that into DEXI's chart. 4-hour bullish, 8-hour bullish, 12-hour bullish, daily trying to break. If we break above 103, I think it's a point of no return. We will just completely plunge into the darkness for risk on assets. Okay. DEXI reclaim of 103.3 $100 currency index. We will risk off. Risk on assets will die. Next, nice and simple, ES. ES is still on resistance, still consolidating above here, still chopping, but this does look like a diamond pattern. Don't know if you guys know that, but that's a reversal pattern. Okay. Okay. Nasdaq. It doesn't hurt here to swing short, I guess, or start scaling in. but it could rip, but we are at resistance here, so would love to see the breakdown of this, but we knew this move was going to happen when we broke out of this cloud, really. Now we got USDT. Let's go look at total first. Total market cap, absolute rubbish. It looks exactly like the Bitcoin chart, as it is the Bitcoin chart basically, and the Ethereum chart combined, market cap wise. I'll start longing at the bottom of this cloud. Until then, no reason to be in a rush with anything, even somewhere around here. Future is bullish though, so probably around these levels. We'll see. Total 1, total 2 done. Let's look at USDT dominance. Hey, let's go. We are breaking out of this cloud. This is not good. If we close daily above here, this could rip. Like really rip. You want to argue, you want to play with this line, we can. If we want to use this. Really, like wherever you want to see it, it's already breaking out. Okay, it's already breaking out. If you want to look at it like that, sure. Let's look at it like this. Okay, but really, it's this. The reality, this is it. Let's delete all of this. I think we will see just the reaction based on that. Like that. So USDT dominance has broken out in multiple diagonal resistance. We are trying and from previous range high, now we are breaking out and has been confirmed. What's next? Current trade. Okay. Before we do that, I'm probably just going to record this next one and I'll run through it nice and quick. Okay. Just for those who don't want to look at the whole stream. So I'll start recording now. Alright guys, welcome to the recording part of this stream. We'll make it nice and quick because we have charted already. Okay. First and foremost, we have the right here, BTC outlook at range low. However, we are trading underneath Monday low, waiting for further candle confirmation to assess situations along. Right here, trading underneath the cloud, 1 day conversion, take that over and we set it up higher. Okay, now last Monday low played a very, very, very serious resistance, and obviously was playing previous support, but we try to take a fake out, close underneath on the 4 hourly, smack it back down. Can also here 4 hour conversion also helped to confirm that. So a lot of people were looking probably at the Ichimoku like myself, and a lot of people look at this confirmation as the shorts. Now Monday high was there, I guess, and we couldn't reclaim it. Like we tried, we just got smacked down at last Monday low. Okay, nice and simple. Next, this is the Adam and Eve that I've been looking at here on the daily. We are looking at breaking out, and if we do take 103.35, we will be ripping up to 105 at least, and you can see that on the weekly if you would like. S&P 500 has a diamond head pattern here. It's a nice reversal pattern, so breakdown underneath something like this, I guess. Okay, or we'll break down further. Okay, at these lows of 38,500, I will be looking at buying some contracts. Okay, to go long on S&P 500, depending on the reaction that we receive there. So if I see some reversal candle, I'll be more than happy to take that on Prime XBT or something. We got USDT dominance. We got range, previous range low here between 6.45 to 7.31, and that's when the previous bounce sort of started right here, and it just ripped and it just ran with it, and now we tested and we kept on ripping, and we bounced, and that how much I'm pretty sure that was the SVB little thing right there. We've broken out of range multiple times. It depends on which you're looking at. Nice and simple here. Got the 7.31 breakout, retest, pump. Okay, and we got the bull cross here on the daily chart as well, which is very bullish. It is happening underneath the cloud, but a breakout of 7.65, clean break above it. Like I'm confident that we will see 8.2, 8.83 tested, and we will see the reaction there. And if USD, if we just stop, if we don't deploy, it will get messy for crypto. Okay, but that's briefly what it is right now. Furthermore, for the recording, I guess that was just a basic market outlook. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, as I mentioned, we are trying to reclaim 48.14, which is like range high. If we do break below, like fail to reclaim, I do see some rotations from Bitcoin to altcoins, in Ether and whatnot, but it's not looking good, bro. Like it's not looking good at all. Like maybe like Ether will probably do this. On dips, I'm probably going to be longing Bitcoin, which is why I have Bitcoin here, which I'll explain more further there later on the other start of the stream. But that's basically the outlook at the moment for BTC. Okay, we are at range low. I don't see any reason for me to go short here yet, especially when this candle hasn't closed. Okay, it could be just over and under. Go here. I think I could take a quick scalp there. Take these lows, sweep up, and go up. Okay, we are range low once again. Ether, same thing, bounced perfectly on previous 4 hour conversion, which pretty annoying. I should really move that around. Put a sell alert here. Failed to reclaim, smack it back down. I'll probably only keep a Bitcoin long open here, and I'll just keep on DCAing just in case we get front run, maybe like this, but not sure what I'll do. I'll give a quick breakdown on yesterday's fantastic charts that was done with Whittleton. We've started going to range low. I have left this on break even. Okay, I don't want this, or maybe I should, I don't know, probably something like this. I'll keep this trade open. What is it? TOMO right now. Entry price 9167. 9167. Okay. This is gonna try and bounce one more time, I think. I mean, if it reclaims there on the 4 hourly, it is possible that we could do this and then break down there and proceed downwards more. But we have broken down of a fantastic range there, so smack it down. I'm happy to long at these levels. I'll settle that's on it and take profits as I go, but any pump up I will be shorting TOMO. This is unfortunate. It was a you know, just quickly, 1 2 3 4. Okay, there's basically, in short, there was Apple news. So I got stopped out, like lost a lot of money on my main account. That's okay, we move on. Our risk is very well managed, but if we wanted to make a quick analysis on this trade, why it pumped. Okay, nice and simple. Where is it here? 1 2 3. Previous support, it did give a bearish hidden bearish divergence, but this is pretty annoying. The breakdown on this candle, I'll probably short even more. I really hope these guys get liquidated, really, and I mean that in the nicest way possible. This is just, look, this is stupid. Like, whoever long there is just like deeply underwater now. They just probably start scaling out now. Sushi. Now, where is this guy going, really? We're at range low for sushi. I mean, where are we going? Are we going lower? Massive downtrend. I don't know. I'm accumulating sushi here. If Bitcoin is gonna bounce, so will sushi. So we'll see. Let it accumulate more. But I want this move, so I'm gonna keep on buying the dip. At the moment, sushi is only at $28. It's a $140 position. I'm more than happy to top up, really, like a little bit more, depending on what's going on with Bitcoin, I guess. Bitcoin's there. We'll need to wait here for finishing touches. Ethereum Classic, I closed it. Like, I'm not bothered for this like trade, honestly. I don't want to be over trading, but this is a potential short right here. We'll see. We can even play the safe side. Like this. Wait for BOS. That's probably what I want to do. SXP. SXP I will be adding to my shorts. Like, big time. I'm shorting SXP. Entry size, at the moment I have $80 here. 4244. 4244 was my entry. Right there. So, more than happy to short this. Like, any weakness here, I'm shorting. Okay. Should post it here again. So make it up for Axie. Let's go. Let's go in. Boom. I topped up my Bitcoin long before, by the way. Just a little position. But we'll see. What are we recording right now? Still 11 minutes. I still got time. I don't want to do a recording for more than 11 minutes. I mean, more than 30 minutes. I think it's a bit too overextended. So Ethereum Classic, a breakdown of this. I'd be looking at shorting. Okay, Anchor. Fucking beautiful. Looking good. Anchor. Not sure about SHIB anymore, man. See what happens here, actually. That's a short there. We'll see in 2 hours. I just want to let you guys know that this Cody trade here failed for the trigger. It closed here, but it didn't really close strong. So unless we reclaim this 4 hour, I wouldn't be taking this trade, but we will see. Otherwise, it goes both ways, you guys. Short here. Seven percent. Like this. Cody, what else we got here watching? Perfect. That's the trigger. Man, that's the trigger for dusk short. What's it like? Is that my brother? Yo, yo, yo.
Uh,
What did you do to the
Dude,
Bulls, man? You upset them. You upset the
What?
bulls so much with your Tomo short. You know the bulls, the cows. You upset
Uh,
them. They trampled you, man.
Actually, I don't have. We don't have bulls. They're all females. It's a whole chain strain.
So
This cow that is ran over me today is a special one. She's very tutorial. She's very she's, she doesn't love um any other s- lives around her. She's crazy.
nice.
That's it. She's one of a million that is coming out with a unfinished brain. So she tried to kill me a few times before.
Really?
I thought she was calmed down, but apparently you see, yeah. Uh, I will be quiet a little bit today. I will be listening to you
What's that?
because I'm in very high pains right now in my leg.
I did they give you oxycodone? Did they give you like morphine or something?
Painkillers, something? No, I didn't want to even, but I took some
Oh
home
wow.
pills. That's it. I don't want those shit inside my body, fam. I'm
Oh,
smoking. That's it. That helps a little bit.
I see, fam. Respect, respect. I need to
Okay.
I need to bring this up, man. Look at this look at this
Dusk.
look at this, fam. Remember last night we were talking?
Yeah.
I don't know if it was you pointing it out or I
Uti and Dusk. You
y-
pointed out
was it me?
about Dusk, yeah.
I don't remember. But look all
You
these
you at the
charts.
same point you pointed out even Kuti as well.
Oh yeah, really? Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of 4 hour. We need to wait for the 4 hour close. We have to be disciplined. Like even if this dropped, I think we just gotta practice discipline. But this is a short.
Looks like, yeah.
It looks like it. So
But the problem is that the price is moving above the support
right now,
right now. Yeah.
a Bitcoin
Huh? No, no, no.
still.
The Dusk, Dusk
Oh yeah. But look, Bitcoin
BTC.
is
Yeah.
right under Monday low, right under it. This could like in one candle just go like this, or
You can head.
it could just go straight down, like this, right? And then do a wick like this. So I'm not really. There was news about Tether buying like 15% of their profit. Who was it? Coinbase or who was who? Someone bought
Coinbase, I think. No.
the Tether.
Tether.
Says that they starting this month they'll regularly allocate up to 15% of their net realized operating profits towards purchasing Bitcoin. They know, fam.
You know.
But do
Yeah.
you
Well,
really think that these smart money will buy the price this high, fam?
why did this? Why they already sell this information?
They
Like this
already
is
know
my feeling.
this.
It's a sold information. It's already in the market. I don't know how much we can believe this.
I think a lot of people will long, and they're gonna get liquidated on that news, just like these idiots that long that.
Yeah.
Imagine you long this, and you're stuck inside there right now. I mean, yeah, I got stopped for what? For this was it? I forgot what was it? 7.3. I think my stop was here, around here. 7.331.
Let me check my stop because I had the same stop as you almost, like almost the exact one.
Uh,
Actually, about oh my
oh yeah.
yeah my stop was
7.3.
7.6 to be honest,
Oh really?
7.6, and it took me out.
Well, it took everyone out, fam.
Yeah, that's something crazy. That this is like you sent me. It was fundamental.
Yeah, you
Nothing that
can't.
something I can expect like if I'm not reading the news.
7.3
Oh, 6 point what
for me
7.3?
means there. I got stopped for like from here for my entry was like point 0.6, but if you longed here, you're already down. But you know my style. I'm only risking here one around 1.1% risk on this because it didn't get me a chance.
Yeah.
But the only account I care about is this, fam. I don't care about anything else.
Yeah.
I don't have any interest in buying Bitcoin here or shorting Bitcoin here on my main account. You know where I want along. I
Yeah.
marked this. You know where I'm gonna be swing trading a big position. 100k 2x. Just go. Like like if it does this, you know I'm buying. Or maybe he 50, 50, 3x, 3x. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Maybe we can run up from here, or maybe we can go down, but we'll take it as it goes. But if you missed out on the beginning, just hit the rewind button on the YouTube later on. It's just market outlook, pretty much boring stuff. But this one here is I'm still recording here. Recording like some coins before. You see, I'm bombarding you guys with a lot of signals here right now.
Yeah.
But this is more of a take a look, you know. This is just for the Discord, and I think most of the people that are inside the Discord here, other than my friend that was on stream last time, I think everyone's pretty much experienced it. So they might be quiet, but I think they're following. Of course, of
They
course,
should. They should.
of course they never post the wins. But when I get stopped out on Axie, my that was my friend. That was my friend. Like one of my close brothers, I would say. He was joking with me. What happened with Axie? He got liquidated too.
Yeah, I think that surprised a lot of people.
Surprised everyone. Hey, before we go in the trade ready, I have a couple of coins here that triggered my alerts. Um,
Oh, sure. Let's check
we ha
that.
I have a Bitcoin short alert.
Bitcoin short.
Yeah, my system says Bitcoin short, but we take it easy for now. Yeah, we're not shorting here,
In the
right?
day, yeah, but mm, mm,
It started here, fam. We need to wait for confirmation, but I do have already some early warning signals, such as here, like all these. So I want to wait for this, like really. Wait a second. EXO made a good post. Bear with me. Anyway, I have a Bitcoin a short trigger, aiming for 23, 200, 22, 700 max pain for bulls.
I agree with you about the short because I will ask something first. On the daily, I can see that the price is just bouncing on the edge of the green cloud
Hmm.
on at the upper like on the upper edge. So you said the clouds acting like magnets. It's so I suppose the price should be like theoretically go down to the other edge of the cloud. Am I right?
Yes.
Like this is how it acts. Okay. So in the 4 hours, we can see the big, a thick cloud starting to form it
Acting
into a
as
thick shape
resistance. Beautiful,
as
man.
a resistance.
Yeah,
I
beautiful.
can see
Keep
that the
talking.
curves, the edge of the curving at the edge of the cloud on the right, it's curving
Yeah.
down. It's getting more thicker even. We're
Yeah.
trading under the conversion and the baseline.
Mhm.
Super trend as well.
Mhm.
I don't know, man. The signs are here. The RSI seems to be struggling. We'll see how it will retest. If
I
it will
will. You go on.
retest, uh, volume is low.
How low? Very.
Very, yeah. On the 1 hour,
Now, I'm
per user.
thinking basically what I said before. Until we reclaim 27,896, I will be shorting every pump. Like I will be
Yeah,
shorting every time it pumps. I'll
makes
short.
sense.
Now, with that being said, this
You will consider
what's
it as a fake out, right?
yeah, but I will do it carefully, of course. I will have my triggers now. Let's chart this together. Okay, this is
BTC
what.
on what
Yeah, yeah,
on
yeah.
what time frame do you want to
Uh,
chart it? On the 4 hours?
I will open up another BTC chart here. Purple list. Oh, would you look at that? I already have a BTC short. I never look. This is what happened when you're emotional. I get emotional all the time.
We all do.
Look, I entered here. He never took out my. He never took out my short. As a matter of fact, if we talk real facts, is that I had a order here, but it never triggered at 85 here.
Hmm.
So my entry would
Okay.
have been here. It never triggered. But I'm not gonna claim this for my trade. Let's start a fresh one. This is my shorting chart. You see, I have a backup chart, so with less noise.
Yeah.
And you know I hate noise. But this is just for us to figure out levels. This is point of max pain for BTC. Okay.
I don't know,
Now,
man. Do you believe it can get there in this period of time?
okay.
Like,
Ask
like
yourself this. Ask yourself this
we
question.
need
Okay.
we need big fundamental disasters to be happen for that
Yeah.
drop.
Of course.
Like, like
Anything can happen.
big.
Like Binance taking a shit.
I have a feeling about that, by the way. But yeah,
Tell me
for
something.
example.
When we were here, when we were here, did you think that BTC will ever hit 11,000 Ks? I mean, 615. When we were here,
Yeah. What about that?
when we were here, did you ever think that we would go below 20K?
No, no,
No,
not
neither.
not.
Neither did I. I thought we were going to
Well,
see the moon, right?
well, with the knowledge I had at that time, yeah, I didn't think that we will get even below 40,000.
Of course. Now Bitcoin has dropped
Yeah, that's crazy. Well, we see how many banks have collapsed. Uh,
345%. We have
all
if you put in 1,000,
around.
if you put in 1,000, you'd have how much money left?
Huge.
The way they calculate it, loss on losses is
Max
like
pay.
this. You would have lost 77%. So if you put in 1,000, you'd have 230 dollars left if you bought spot there.
Yeah.
Okay. But I'm bullish. You know this. Like I'm bullish. Mid time frame. I am. How can I not be bullish on this?
Well, yeah, that looks bullish.
Uh, 3 days even crazier bullish.
Mhm.
The signs are there, fam. The signs are there to be bullish. Look, this is our.
How do you read that? That if the on the weekly and the 3 days it's bullish, and on the 8 hours and 4 hours, for example, it's bearish. How do you read that? Like, what is the right way to look at it,
I
to
I
analyze it?
I love your questions. I really love your questions, man. Like really, like monthly. Monthly
Yeah.
is a longer hold. Yeah, monthly. It's saying that the max that we'll go to is 45,000. This right here, you see this?
Yeah, yeah.
This is our we were trading inside a cloud. It's forming a cloud. Look on a monthly, and on a monthly long term is we're bullish.
What do you mean we're trading inside a cloud?
This is a cloud forming. It hasn't
Like
formed.
the
It doesn't have enough data.
I got it.
On a
Okay.
weekly, on a weekly, on a weekly, on the weekly, yes, we are in a bear market. 100%
Like
we're in a bear market.
how do you treat that? Like if we are bearish on the weekly, how do you know which side to take the trade on the 4 hours or the 8 hours?
Okay.
Like
Uh,
that's
don't,
something
don't,
that
don't, don't, don't look at weekly too much. Weekly can work as on spot. Okay.
yeah.
Remember we're at 10 bullish. I told you when we broke the super trend. That's why I used two indicators. I was bullish here, and if I followed super trend, okay, long, aiming underneath the clouds, and I just
Yeah.
trail my stops. That's it. There's not much to say about that. If I bought here,
Yeah, that's the way I understand it, to be honest. But
that's it.
I don't know.
We have a
So
system, right?
you trade by the clouds. No, no, doesn't matter if weekly showing bullish or bearish. If the 4 hours clouds and the 8 hours clouds showing the same direction, we trade by that.
Yes,
Or if we're trading smaller time frame, so we base our
but,
opinion on the 4 hours.
but this is bullish.
Hmm.
This is bearish.
Yeah,
Okay, take the
a
winning
big
side.
red, big cloud.
T- and now this is where you have to make advanced logical decisions based on multiple factors, such as when we were weekly here. When we were weekly here, where was the daily? Where was the daily when we were at Monday the 16th? Yeah, Monday the 16th of January. Where were we? Yeah,
Like bearish, you mean?
yeah, yeah, no, on Monday, on
Oh,
Monday, the 16th of January 2023. Where were we? We were here.
hmm.
Why would I not long this? Where is it? Here.
Because of it's broke the cloud, the inversion, the base. Yeah,
It broke
all
the.
all of the signs.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Well, like we've already broken here, and it's saying long. It's saying long. So what am I shorting? I can't short this. I'll be underwater like Capo. How much capital will I need to keep on topping up on this short? Okay? Why don't we
Yeah,
instead take the winning side temporarily, and when we get there, then we will see weakness. How we would look at weakness. This sort of looks like this. Magnets, man. They're magnets. They're like the
yeah.
sun. They have gravity. The bigger they are, the more likely they are to test it.
What do you mean? Like
Okay.
to test what? The edge?
Imagine going inside a black hole or the sun. You know physics, right? Gravity.
Hmm.
The closer you get to something, like a big object like the sun, if we move like even 10,000, like 5,000 closer, 5,000 kilometers closer to the sun, we're finished. We'll start burning. We'll start getting pulled to the sun closer and
Yeah.
closer and closer. Yeah. The further you are from the cloud, okay, the less likely you are to be taken by its gravitational pull. Okay. But once you start getting closer to the cloud, the stronger the cloud pulls you closer. You break this first line of defense. You're getting
Yeah.
weaker, and then it pulls you closer here, and you try to move away. You try to move away. You try to move away. You move away. You break it. You break the defense. You go again. You go again, and then you try and break again. And this cloud will pull you closer. But you have to be strong to swim away. But how long can you swim, or how much fuel do you have in your spaceship to run away from this black hole here before you get pulled in closer inside the black hole and you just die? This is us dying. Now, inside that black
I
hole
think
there's
I
another.
got it.
Okay, inside that black hole, little did you know, there's another universe. This is the universe of the bulls. This is the universe of the bears. This is the world of the bulls. This is the world of the bears.
Yeah.
This is where sellers die. If we get pulled up, all the sellers die here. This is the land. Okay, this is a transition between bulls and bears. If we are above, if we are trading above 45,000, we're bullish. The 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 bulls are in full control. If we are under this cloud, we have to
The
remain
bears.
bearish. We have to.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how bullish you are. You have to remain bearish. Oh my God, look at that. It's looking good, fam. Um. Anyway, um. Yeah. Let's look at this Bitcoin short. Yeah. What happened to this fucking cloud? Hang on.
Oh,
Let's look.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah, man.
When I was at the hospital today, so
Mm.
I was like I was saying short in my language when I was watching the chart. Meanwhile, the doctor was applying the bandage on my leg.
Mm-hmm.
He was thinking I was about to short my leg. I told him no, I was speaking to myself. I was speaking to the I'm shouting.
Really? You were
He
saying
looked
short?
at me like yeah, I
He's
thought I
he's
would hurt myself.
he's thinking you're crazy, man. We are crazy. People that are trading, we're crazy people, man. No
Agreed.
one wants no one wants to put themselves in this psychological damage every day.
Exactly.
Tired, hurt, whether you're hurt, whether you're sick, whether you're happy, whether you're sad, we're on the charts, man. Torturing ourselves with this psychological pain. Look at this. This is psychology. This has been my mind. You know where I'm
BTC
hurt.
is forming a W in the
Huh?
4 hours.
What is it?
BTC forming a W pattern on the 4 hours.
A W pattern on the 4 hours.
Yeah,
What,
yeah,
like
that
this?
this is how it looks like.
This is what you think.
Hmm.
That's where I'm gonna short. Um, I really need to vape, man. I really need a nicotine hit, man. Where is this?
Fake.
Uh, where is my vape? You know vape?
Yeah, yeah, I know it. I had a vape, but for oil, not for
Ah,
tobacco. Yeah, I'm having fun with my greeny pills. Let's say greeny pills. Yeah.
my family, my brother-in-law is going to Thailand. I told him to bring me some edibles.
Oh, that's cool. Those are fun.
Yeah. One day we'll do 100 X trades with $10, and I'll do it while I'm high on stream.
If it will be your first time, I would not recommend that.
Oh, edibles? I've tried edibles. I've tried edibles before, but I'll
Ah,
probably fall
so you have
asleep.
experience.
Yeah. Um, let's
That's
get.
uh, that's how it looks like. I don't know, a W. It looks like the conversion is about to follow the same pattern, but not yet. Like it's already formatted it.
Um, I agree. Let's cut this. Oh no, we still got 20 minutes. 1 hour recording is all right, right? Let's look at this Bitcoin short. It's gonna have a wide stop, so don't get shocked, yeah? You never get shocked with whatever I do anyway.
Nah, I'm good. To be honest, this market is not shocking me as much as I expected.
28.
I don't know why. This is
Yeah?
how it is.
You like the 7% DCA zone?
Ooh.
20 to 700. This. I think here. I think we'll bounce here. Makes
I
big now.
treat those trades with the big stops and the big profits as a road that we build on the chart,
Yeah.
and we decide which way we want to go.
Um, look at. I can't wait to discuss this together with you, man. This is gonna be the fun
Um,
part.
do you think Tomo have more space to go down when you have time to look at it?
You tell me, fam.
What I think. I'm pretty sure it is.
Look at that curve.
But this is what I hate when I starting to be like, uh,
We're at support,
yeah,
but this is not a strong support, man.
it is. Yeah.
What else is holding this level? Who's bidding here? Know your counterparty. Know your enemy. Who's bidding here? Who? Tell me who's bidding. If you can tell me who's bidding, who this guy?
Like, what do you mean?
Who's buying? Who's buying here? Who bought here? Where's the liquidity, fam? Where's the liquidity? I see no liquidity. These guys. These guys are history. That's nothing. This is what I'm worried about. Even this I'm not worried about, fam. I'm worried about this. I'm worried about this guy.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm worried about this guy here. The 1 day base. I'm worried about the base. But I'm worried about the daily conversion. You know. Oh shit, fam.
Wow, what a rejection.
What a rejection. Okay.
That's a healthy sign
That's a
for our
healthy
move.
sign for us.
Yeah.
Not for the Tomo holders, fam. That's one.
So now we just have to follow the take
Take profit.
the yeah the take profits. I think
Like this. Like this. Okay, we'll keep it like that. Okay.
those are the liquidities, right?
Yeah. Okay. That's it. We keep it simple. This will curl down. And I'll just keep shorting a boop. Wow, this thing has no respect, fam. Anyway, that's that. That's Tomo. Bitcoin. I think the break of Monday low. I will start Bitcoin. I will be start. I will open my shorts in maybe. We'll see what happens when this candle finishes. Okay. I don't want to get greedy,
2 hours.
but I don't know if I can if I'm comfortable in
So how much?
Actually, this is a 4 hour close here. I should have shorted there. This candle,
Yeah.
but anything can happen. Like we can just we can go up again like this. No
We
rush.
want support right now.
Yeah, we're in support with no reaction. You need to know what you know what I mean. You need the DYDX is heap short, fam. But we know this. We know this.
DYDX is a show. Yeah.
We were waiting for this. We were waiting for this. So, nope, that's Fibonacci. Master Fibonacci. We're at support right now. I'm not shorting here. I can always do this. Yeah? DYDX is a short. No rush. Absolutely no rush. What else? Tell me something I already know. APT, Aptos. I'm not sure why I don't have this. I don't know why I don't have this shit coin here, fam. Really. All this like fucking Korean coin. This one, man. Oh man,
Nice.
that um daily or daily here. Daily, 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 daily. Oh man, that's way too far, bro. Like that's a little bit too. That's a little bit. This is a bit too risky for me. I don't know. I got the alert when this broke down. I had like this one,
Yeah.
this candle. I was waiting, 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 and it just dropped. Like you couldn't short here. That's too risky to short there, right?
Yeah.
Mix signals. This is the confirmation of short, but do I want to? Do I want to be greedy and get squeezed? Like if Bitcoin drops, like if Bitcoin pumps here, I'd have to like, I'd have to. What am I aiming for here? What's my target, bro? Like, this is what I'm worried about. Here, this guy. Like, am I targeting this guy? Like, am I targeting this guy here, or who am I targeting here? That's my worry. We target this guy. Is that the short, or
Mm.
or is
Even
this
lower.
or is this the short? I'm a man of data. That's a problem, right? Like, I'd love
Well,
to
you
buy.
can make those as a take profit points.
Yeah,
Long way.
I'd have to make this higher though, like that. But this is definitely the zone, yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Looks like.
Let's keep eye on that, man. I have so many charts that I was looking at over when I was in the morning when you were at the farm, like
Yeah.
like trade ready. What else you want to look at, man? Tell me. You always have this good catch. You were the one that catch SFP. Is that the one that you want to look at? SXP.
SXP, yeah. Yeah, I have him on my aim.
You're in.
On my aiming, I think about getting in into a shot.
I thought you had a conditional order here, man. This would have triggered for you, no?
I hadn't, I haven't put this order yet. Maybe I do. Wait, maybe I do.
You put it
Wait,
with
wait, wait,
me, no? Check, 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 check,
wait,
check, check.
wait, wait. Yeah, I mean SXP. Yeah, I mean,
But
I'm
yeah,
sorry. I mean,
there you go. What's your
let me see
entries?
the chart.
4185.
Yeah, I have an order even in on my chart. Yeah, you're right. I mean,
I know your
I
order,
haven't
man.
seen it. It's on the. No, I'm in profit right now. A small one, but still. Um, it's on the bottom of my list.
Beautiful. You said to me before you wanted to talk about some trades. So where's these trades that you wanted to chat?
Mm,
We have
Ocean.
we know sushi. We know Tomo.
You have Ocean as well, I think. Might be
So tell
interesting.
me about this ocean buy here. I'm interested. I love buying ocean. Like ocean here. I love buying these shit coins, fam. Yeah, like this. Tell me. I want to look at it in one glance, and I want to see if it's telling me to buy. Wow, fam.
But it may be not a short.
Are you buying long? Yeah.
I don't know what I'm buying, but it's like, this is what I was about to ask you. What do you think about this cloud on the 4 hours, on the 8 hours as well?
It
Like,
was a
I
good.
think it's a short, but maybe, I don't know.
I don't know, fam. Let me see first. Like, where's your stop loss here? 2991. 2991. 2991. 2991 is here. 2991. 2911 is here. We'll go there. So, oh man, 12 hour. 12 hour was good. 12 hour is good. Like, you don't always have to look at things like that. We could always look things like this, right? It depends. Like you got a 2x there. That's your support there. 8 hourly. You just broke down. Two. I'm happy to defend the position here. I think. I think.
Mm.
I think just. I think these people are way over leveraged, right? Like we gotta take these guys out. But it's a nice cloud. Like it's forming straight line like this. It looks like Ethereum Classic, which is why I'll close my short there. So yeah, Ethereum
Mhm.
Classic.
That's
Look at this.
one. That one is cut my eyes auction.
What is it?
Like it was a complicated one for me to understand.
I mean, Ethereum Classic could be a long fam. Look, but I'm waiting for this breakdown, and I'm happy to short it. I'm happy to short it like conditional. If we were to take these like this, or maybe like this, enter
Yeah.
here and enter here, and then buy again here, buy another position here like this, like buy here and then another DCA here. We'll see. Let's trade ready. Anchor is short, like short as fuck. Like I'm so glad I closed that. Like I'm so glad I short that. But we are at support here though. That's support.
Yeah. Clearly.
That's take profit one. I'm not in a rush to add any more to my position. I cut my SHIB long on this candle here on the 4 hourly, and I didn't go long. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for these low. I want to bid here on SHIB. Koti, you know, Dusk is a short as I mentioned, but we don't have a 4 hour confirmation again. We could always we could always enter in and then DCA up. But I want to see this cloud. Like I want to see one, two, three clouds. I think I want to be greedy right now because I'm already comfortable in other positions here. Two shorts. I want
Yeah.
to add more to cover for my BTC. Might even cut my BTC long. Or you know, I wanna start DCA into sushi. RSR. I made a range last night, but I didn't trade it. I wasn't confident with RSR. I got squeezed on RSR anyway. Like I entered there and I got squeezed up. So H bar. H bar is I'm not interested in longing in shorting H bar. I think I want to long it unless we break this like this, and then I'll just buy it here. I want to buy H bar. I want to buy H bar for 3.6 cents. Is that too much to ask for? Am I greedy?
Nah, I don't think so. Not yet.
I want
Still
to
early.
like this. Like I want to buy H bar here at this box.
Like
I see it.
the
Yeah,
reasonable that's very reasonable.
of course. I want a better price. Like you want to buy a car, like you want at your price, right? You want to buy a house, you want to buy at your house, I like your price.
Yeah.
I didn't. We need to analyze ICX together. You short
What?
ICX?
ICX.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going in 9 hours for ICX. Swing, 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 swing.
ICX. I had
Yeah.
it on my watch list.
No, you have it short open.
Maybe. Yeah, yeah.
You you do have
I
ICX
was.
open.
I'm still confused with all the names like ICX. Yeah, I have a
Yeah.
short open. Yeah,
Maybe
it
I join.
is open.
Maybe I join you here, fam.
You
Maybe I
join
join.
my what?
Maybe I want to join in with you here.
Let's go.
Maybe I join you in here.
It looks good
It
for
does.
now.
Only 5%.
Yeah, I'm taking Oh, yeah, I'm taking small one on this one on this trade.
I don't even know your stop loss, fam.
Actually, it's on my stop loss. It's point 0.276,
Oh man, that's good. Like you're not even that far away from me.
and my take profit is on 0.2502.
Mm-hmm. I think this is a confirmation of a fake out here, fam. Here, this one. This is a nice deviation here.
Hmm. Yeah, like I think not such a big candles, but yeah.
I think that's a big candle. I think that's
Yeah.
confirmation. I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that short
Um,
lead.
Me too. I have a short.
Huh?
I'm happy as well because I have a short on it.
So why did you take that trade?
ICX.
Yeah.
I took it.
Yeah, I know you did. It's a good short. I want
Ah, you wanna know why did I take it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanna know your explanation. Where did you enter here? You entered at 2654.
2655.
You have balls, man.
The last candles in the 4 hours just gave me personally a confirmation that
Which one? Which
apparently
candle? Here?
happened.
Here? Here?
It's the thin ones,
Hmm?
those ones you call them fake.
This one here, the fake out.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
I'm waiting
Like
for. I have to wait though, man, for this hour to close. So, in the meantime, this is probably on my list to short here. This guy, sushi. I'm long. Fuck, actually, man. I'm sick of that fucking trade. Got get rid of it. Put it underneath here, so I forget. So I'm at peak performance all the time. I want to short with you ICX, yeah. So I'm happy to put that in active. Very good trade on multiple time frames, okay? But this would be my confirmation. So that's one deviation. I want to show the bigger deviation, bigger fake out, and if we were to even close here, I'm happy to buy it. I'm happy to like here, even here that I'm happy. Really, I am. This is a very good trade. A 1.83. This is fucking means nothing to me. But probably like this, like this. But the reclaim of this, like the reclaim of this of like this area, even like that, I will be closing my short. But we'll see.
that would be dangerous. Yeah.
See how this is. But this is a breakdown already. Like this is the trend. Like if you want to look at the trend in a shorter time frame, this is. See, that's why I want to wait for that candle to close. So,
Yeah.
but it's good. Like you got in higher. I don't have entry, so I need to be greedy. Koti, Das, Dusk also I'm waiting. See, no need to be too fast, man. Just wait. Imagine the smell that we get if this just fucking went like this, like, and we enter the shot. I'd look fucking stupid on stream, man.
Yeah.
What is this? 1 hour recording. So that's the 1 hour recording. I think we're past our limit by 1 minute. So just for the recording, I'll stop now. So for any more, feel free to like and subscribe and follow. You got me and Whittleton here, trying to chat daily, finding you guys some nice trades, build a community together. You can ask us any trades on Discord, I'm sure. I'm on the beginning of the New York Open, and I'll be there basically for the whole of Asia session, and Middleton will be there in what time zone do you work with, man? That you're approachable.
Like I'm a year ahead of me of 8 hours.
Yes, I'm UTC 10.
Well, I'm like, let me check. I don't remember. Wait. But
You
honestly, if somebody is like is watching and he's new to this,
yeah
so like give it a chance because that may change your whole perspective on those things.
yeah
Maybe really you can build something positive.
of course
So yeah, really like people need to take this serious.
abs
Just to try even.
of course. This is not a get rich quick rich what is it? Get
No,
rich
no, it's
quick
not.
scheme. No, it's full of pain and suffering. It
I'm
really
gonna
is.
check my area time.
It's
I'm
okay.
gonna check my
I'm 8 hours ahead of you, yeah? So you're basically what's 10 minus 2? I mean 10 minus 8. You're plus 2
5:20
UTC.
now. Now it's
You
5:20 in my
you
place.
are in the same
Driving.
time zone as Stockholm, Rome, Paris, Warsaw, Zurich,
Mm, I don't know. Maybe.
Jerusalem.
Maybe I don't know.
You're
Yep.
plus 3.
Yep. 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 Yep.
You're plus 3, man. You're in the same time
Plus
zone
three.
as
Let's go.
you know what I
Now I
like
know that.
you know what I like about your time zone though? Like
What?
you can bid with the Saudis, man. When they bid, man, oh my God, they bid, they bid. Anyway, that's enough for the stream.
I didn't even knew
Huh?
they bidding. I didn't even knew they bidding.
They were bidding. They bid at 20K, fam. They should
Well,
be the yeah. They were bidding at 20K. That's what I heard. There's a meme, right? Max bidding, max leverage. I don't know if you've seen that video. Anyway, enough for the recording. See you guys later. Take it easy. And now we can keep continuing with the stream because, man, I have all the time in the world for this.
my leg is killing me. Fam. Like
Go, 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 go.
I,
You wanna rest and lay down
I'm
and
resting. What else can I do? Like I'm sitting right now with my leg on a pillow, suffering the pains. There's nothing I can do rather than take a pillow or I don't know, smoke
yeah.
something. That's the two options I have. So it's it's
I guess you need to talk more to get your mind off things, man. Hey, remember that I said to you Pepe was short, but I said I don't want to
yeah,
trade this shit coin.
yeah.
Fuck, man. We were how many days ago was this? I think we were here like 3 days ago on stream.
Oh,
So I don't know. Oh my God, it's dying, man.
yeah, well, let's
23%, man.
confirm it and take the advantage of its
Yeah,
dying process.
yeah. 10%, fam. But what do you do? I don't wanna be reckless and because I don't
Of
wanna
course.
trade on. I don't like. I'll do it with my own money, but I'm not doing it for this account. This one has to be serious trades only.
Yeah. I just like to place like the trade on trading view, but not actually to put the trade and then to see if I'm right.
Mm.
I do this a lot just to test myself.
Jasmine. Jasmine is short, man. This thing's not moving anymore. I think there's not enough. I think there's not enough. Like there needs to be sellers balanced with buyers in order for a market to move. Look at this low volume here.
Yeah, they're very low.
Like there's a lot of
Like
people here.
nothing at all.
Like this makes sense, this move here, because everyone that bought here just unloaded their shit. But what are we doing here? Like this is people that bought here and just like, you know, trading. That's fucking boring. DYDX short soon. Targeting what? Key support here. Yeah, targeting key support here. So we'll short that if it gives. FTM. Yo, it's getting ready. I have to adjust. There you go. It's ready. I didn't want to take I put it lower, not here, because the reason why I want it to be under conversion, under base, under cloud. Three confirmations, yeah? Because FTM is fucking scary, man. If it rips, man. I'm not gonna do it, like get stopped out there. Also, also, this is now a short. It's ARB is short. TP1 is here. I don't know where TP2 is. You tell me. What are we shorting it to here?
I've been muted for a while because of I've had noises in my
Dogs.
apartment, but I listen. I don't know. Show me the. Give a zoom out a little bit.
What are,
A zoom out so I can see like where to take profit.
it was I was being sarcastic, fam. This is the this is the
Let me.
lowest low, but
Okay. Now I see.
what are we shorting it to?
To the support.
There is no support, fam. If this is broken, it's broken. I think personally speaking, there's like this is now all psychological levels of bids. You know what I mean? People are bidding at $1. See, they even front run. Like, you know what I mean? Maybe we take profit in tens, like 90 cents, I think. Like, or maybe we could use your favorite chart. Maybe this is where the Fibonacci will come in handy when there's not enough data. Ah, you see, that's golden pocket. This is where I would be longing. Taking profit. Man, there's not enough data. Like this. We're gonna go crazy or what? We're gonna go here. Negative 32 cents. Not possible. So that's it. That's the that's the chart that we take. As he made a post, let's see what he says.
Got a bunch of phone calls at the moment.
Yeah. Do what you gotta do,
Few
man. I
minutes.
just I
I'm here. I'm in the stream. I'm just on my phone for a minute or two.
mm-hmm. Whoa. Oh, ETH is ETH is a short as well, man. I don't know. We'll wait for the rip up. Can't really short